About to put the third O2 sensor in here in 1,000 miles. Thank you, Holley.
My story is the story of a man who starts off at the bottom and with a bit of hard work continues along the bottom and finally ends up at the bottom. Hey, this is Classic Cars and Comics. Thank y'all very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's roll. There it is right there. Couldn't see it from looking at the other side because that frame rail's in my way. Right there. I believe that is where she be. Fun. There she be. And then just trying to figure out where that disconnects from. Okay, here it is in all its glory. It does look dirty. I mean, I guess it could be dirtier, but it is pretty dirty. And then here's the connector in. So just gotta get a new one. I can't see who this is made by. Let's see. I think I'm going with a Bosch this time. That's what people seem to recommend online, so. Yep, oh, this is a Bosch. Dang, that sucks.
All right, so like I said, this will be the third O2 sensor I have installed. Well, not me personally. This will be the first one that I'm going to install. But this will be the third overall O2 sensor that's been installed, and there's right around 1,000 miles on this, last I remember. It's been since November. We're in April now. It's been since November since I started this and ran, because what you'll know if you're probably watching this video is that whenever these O2 sensors go bad, your gauges, one of them will just bury out because you're getting way too much fuel, I believe, is what's going on there. So I'm going to crawl under there, see how hard it's going to be to take out the bad O2 sensor and see how much, you know, over the river, through the woods, what all's entailed on putting in, you know, uninstalling the old one and putting the new one in. So it shouldn't hopefully be too hard. So let's get to it. Let's see what we got going and let's roll. Okay, so the new part number is 17025. It's a Bosch 17025. That's what the one was that I took out of it. The new one, it looks like so. Very clean as opposed to this other one. Even in the Ziploc you can see how black it was, and I think I've already shown you that anyways, but it's time to get up under here and start putting this in. So we're right up here, and I'm just going to slowly screw that in there, and then I'll need to start going over the river, over the, you know, the transmission, and back over to the other side to hook all this up. Alright, system's priming up. See if I can get over here to. Okay, so see how it was buried. I you can't see that. Let me see how it was buried out. I'm gonna hope that that changes once I start it. Oh gosh, it's been on a battery tender the whole time. I don't know why it just didn't start. Okay, the battery's showing to be fully charged again. I mean, I literally just put it back on the tender. It said something there about scan. I got a whole nother issue I think going on now. Nothing is ever easy. God.
Please don't let me down, please. Well, let's see if the car battery was a problem. God, I hope so. Please just be the car battery. I've put the new O2 sensor back in as well, just hoping that this is just the battery. Okay, we're doing better. Oh my gosh, come on. Yes! Yes, it was just the battery! Woohoo! Back up and running. Don't try this at home, okay, folks? This is dangerous. Always focus on the road and the task at hand, but replacing the O2 sensor has got me back on the road and driving, and it's grand.